Hey there, Money Masters. Welcome to the ultimate guide to building and managing your emergency fund, but not just any emergency fund. Today we're talking about the 1 to 3 6 method, the simple, stress-free way to prepare for life's little, and not so little, surprises. Stick around, because by the end of this video you'll know how to create an emergency fund without feeling like you're giving up your daily latte, or your sanity. And hey, we've added a sprinkle of humor, because money talk doesn't have to be boring, right? Let's get started. Let's start with the basics. What's an emergency fund? Think of it as your financial airbag. When life hits you with unexpected expenses, like a car repair, a medical bill, or that time your dog decides your couch is a chew toy, your emergency fund cushions the blow. Now, I know what some of you are thinking, but I have a credit card for emergencies. Sure, but using a credit card is like trying to put out a fire with gasoline. Debt grows, and suddenly, you're paying interest on top of your emergencies. No bueno. With a proper emergency fund, you're ready for anything. Plus, having one is like having a financial superhero in your back pocket. Who doesn't want that? Okay, so, what's the 1-3-6 method? Glad you asked. This simple system breaks down your emergency fund into 3 stages. Step 1, 1 month of expenses. Start by saving enough to cover 1 month's worth of essential expenses. Think rent, utilities, groceries, and Netflix. Because we all know it's essential. This is your immediate safety net. Step 2. 3 months of expenses. Once you've got 1 month covered, aim for 3 months. This level is your buffer for short-term emergencies, like losing a job or a surprise root canal. Step 3. 6 months of expenses. Finally, the gold standard. 6 months of expenses. This is your ultimate financial fortress, protecting you from major life upheavals. Imagine being able to take your time, finding a new job without panicking about bills. Glorious, right? Now, you might be thinking, 6 months of expenses? That's impossible. I can barely save for Taco Tuesday. Don't worry, here are some easy ways to start. 1. Automate it. Set up an automatic transfer to your savings account. Even $10 a week adds up. It's like paying yourself first, minus the awkward boss meetings. 1. Cut the fluff. Look at your budget and find areas to trim. Do you really need 5 streaming subscriptions? Looking at you, Disney Plus and Hulu combo. 1. Side hustle. Pick up a part-time gig or monetize a hobby. Sell your old stuff, babysit, or teach your dog tricks on TikTok. It's 2024, anything's possible. 1. Windfalls. Got a tax refund or birthday money? Funnel it into your emergency fund instead of splurging on another air fryer. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Now that you're saving, where should you stash this cash? Spoiler alert, it's not under your mattress. 1. High-yield savings account. This is the MVP of emergency funds. It's accessible, safe, and earns you a bit of interest. 1. Money market account. Similar to a savings account, but sometimes with higher interest. 1. Not investments. Repeat after me. An emergency fund is not for investing. The stock market is too risky for money you might need tomorrow. Keep it safe and liquid. Oh, and pro tip, label your account emergency fund so you're less tempted to dip into it for concert tickets or impulse buys. Every method has its ups and downs, so let's break it down. Pros. It's simple and actionable. Helps you save incrementally, without feeling overwhelmed. Provides peace of mind at every stage. Cons. Requires discipline. Yes, I said it. May take time to fully fund, especially if you're starting from scratch. But hey, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is financial security. Stick with it. Let's see how the 1-3-6 method works in real life. Example 1. Meet Sarah. She's single, rents an apartment and spends $2,000 a month on essentials. Using the method, she first saves $2,000, 1 month, then works her way up to $6,000, 3 months, and finally hits $12,000, 6 months. Example 2. Now meet the Jones family. With a $5,000 monthly budget, their goal is $5,000, $15,000, and finally $30,000. It takes time, but they feel confident knowing they're covered. Here are some common questions. Can I use my emergency fund for a vacation? Nice try. An emergency fund is for emergencies, like your car breaking down, not margaritas on the beach. What if I can't save 6 months of expenses? That's okay. Start with what you can. Even a small fund is better than nothing. When should I refill my fund? Immediately after using it. Remember, your fund is like your phone's battery. Don't let it drain completely. And there you have it. The 1-3-6 method for building and managing your emergency fund. It's simple, effective, and guaranteed to give you peace of mind when life throws its curveballs. If you found this video helpful, or if you laughed even a little, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss future money tips. And hey, sharing is caring. Send this video to a friend or family member who could use a financial safety net. Thanks for watching, and remember, with the 1-3-6 method, you're not just saving money, you're saving yourself from stress, sleepless nights, and borrowing from that friend who always makes you feel guilty. See you in the next video.